Okay, so we're going to input the data from the last slide. So you want to get your graphing calculator. You want to make sure that your space is cleared as seen here. Okay, so I'm going to hit the stats button, and you can also see my keystrokes below. And we're going to hit 1 in order to input our values into this table. So we're going to hit 54, enter, 103, enter, 62, enter, 102, enter, 60, enter, 60, enter, 54, enter, and 58, enter. Okay, so now that we have our data set, we're just going to look over it to make sure that we entered in all of the information correctly. And cross-checking, it looks good. So now we're going to hit the stats button again. I'm going to make this a little wider for you guys. So now we're going to hit the stats button. And we're going to go over to calculate. And because we're only comparing one item, we're going to do one var stat. And in this case, we have no frequency list. A frequency list is used when you have multiple items or multiple bits of data that are the same. So instead of entering the number 8 11 times, you would just put 8, and then your frequency, how often does it appear? 11 times, instead of entering 8 11 times. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to calculate. We're going to hit enter. And if you'll notice here, X bar, that is our mean. So our mean here is 69 1/8, or 69.125. And our standard deviation for the entire population is 19.45 approximately. And the sample deviation is above, which is 79 approximately. We'll talk about samples at a later time. But if you'll notice too, if you scroll down, it also gives you that 5-number summary that you would use to make a box and whisker plot. So this is how we calculate the standard deviation, also derive the box and whisker plots, and the mean and the sample deviation as well.